A shocking case of medical negligence that took 17-year-old Anupama Verma's life at the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research in Chandigarh. But 8 days after her death, all that the doctors could say are that they are sorry. Well, after completing what seems to be a shoddy probe into the death of Class 11 student Anupama, the authorities of PGI Chandigarh found nothing wrong with the services they gave to the teenager, but were seen groping for answers when confronted with some tough questions. From Headlines Today's correspondent Mana Mansin China.
Serious patient, nobody was there. There was a lady pushing pump. I called my CMO, the SMO, the senior medical officer. His name is Dr. Prince. I said, I find this patient serious. I find somebody needs to be attended to him, and I pulled him out of that. Kindly go and mobilize the doctor. This is what I did.
The doctor here is, sir, that you have all information about an IAS officer's daughter. In comparison to what
no, somebody approached me, somebody called me at PCS officer का मुझे नहीं मालूम, लेकिन serious patient होके slow moto मैंने on my own pulled my doctor. Dr. Prince is the name of the senior manager, and his number is
somebody who was influential for them. All resources can be mobilized, and somebody who comes from a
no, the serious patient, all serious patients, including this patient, was mobilized. Doctors are mobilized.
We cannot allow such things to happen. So what should be done in this respect is, the IMA will also write to the Union Government, Prime Minister and the President of India, and also to the concerned state, to see that they improve the infrastructure in such major good hospitals, and also they improve the trained skilled personnel to attend all to this workload in such major hospitals.
Well, questions are now being raised on the completion of the inquiry within a day, as none of the family members of Anupama were asked to join the probe, and neither have their statements been recorded. But despite this, the PGI director conveniently skirted the issue, saying that they could deliberate on the matter.
The patient was given treatment. She was given antibiotics, she was given fluids, the basic person was who do surgery produce. There in that situation, the team that was there.
Well, that is the big story that we are getting you right now. These are the big questions that Headlines Today is asking. Why was she in an advanced trauma center if Anupama didn't need urgent care? Well, there are a lot of troubling questions that PGI has not been able to give answers to when Headlines Today confronted them with these tough questions. They think that simply regretting the incident was good enough. What about the parents who've lost their child? What about this young budding life which came to an end? Now let's listen in to what Pawan Bansal had to say about this. Well, that is the sorry state of affairs. A top institute of our country, PGI, one of the most renowned institutes, it has come to this. It says that simply regretting is enough when a child's life has been lost due to their medical negligence.
We have with us the parents of Anupama Sarkar. Mr. Amit, we have just come from the press conference of the PGI director, and he has not blamed any doctor or any nursing staff of PGI for causing the death of your daughter. What is your reaction?
I have not seen the report. Please show me the report and I will decide. If they have not blamed each other, then they are mixed up. Then what is the use of the committee? I don't believe in this committee. There should be a committee in which we should be included, so that we can tell what has happened to us, what has happened to my daughter.
Do you think this was a deliberate attempt by PGI to cover up the circumstances leading to your daughter's death?
Yes, it was a debate to close the report so that they could save their doctors, not punish them and insult us.
And how are you now going to continue this fight? Are you going to take legal action? Are you going to go to the court in order to get justice?
Yes, we will go to the court and take the justice, to get the justice. Because I don't believe in this committee. This committee all mix up. What did the doctors do? Why did not they investigate properly? This is my question. So there should be another committee
where in which the public, suppose I am not included, any other public member should be included, so that it should be investigated very properly. So quite perturbed Amit Sarkar, who feels that this inquiry has been a sham. He does not agree with it and with its finding, and he wants a complete transparent inquiry by an independent agency to find out the cause of the death and to appropriate blame on the right persons. With camera person Umran Tama, Naman Singh China in Chandigarh for Headlines.